The other day I was scrolling through my social media. I saw a post. I swipe and pinch and zoom, and I was not wrong. It was not any other but my higher secondary best friend wedding's photos. And the mind says, what the heck, how can she do this without informing me? I paused for a while, and I remember that we have lost each other contact number years ago. Then I flipped to my Instagram and checked our chat, and just to realize that our last chat was on 26th of January 2023, I further scroll up, and it was on 19th of Feb 2021. I took my statement back and indulged myself in various thoughts. That one friend who guided you when you were in new cities, surrounded with new people and new language, whom you planned everything together from teaching you how to apply lip gloss to statistics in economics class, whom you planned to go for further studies and stayed in rented place together, which I felt in my parts, whom you exchanged gifts and sweetest worthwhile memories together, and the list goes on and on. I called up my uncle, who is also a mutual friend, and he was also surprised to see the post. But then he said one thing to me, with an experience in his eyes, in a calm voice. Life move on, my friend. And the whole point of this video is me telling you, life move on and goes on, my friend.